If your cat's litter box still smells, leaks, or leaves a sandbox trail across your floor, you're wasting time and patience. Stainless steel changes everything, but only if you pick the right one. Today on Cool Product, we're breaking down the best stainless steel cat litter boxes, so you get cleaner floors, less odor, and zero regret. If you're just stepping into stainless steel, the Kiseng stainless steel cat litter box is a solid starting point. The XL 22.8 by 15-inch footprint gives most cats plenty of turning and digging space, and the 15-inch height works especially well for energetic kickers. What I like is the 3-in-1 setup. You can run it fully enclosed, semi-enclosed, or completely open depending on your cat's personality. The smooth steel pan wipes down fast, and it comes with a scoop plus a large litter mat that actually helps with tracking. The biggest strength here is flexibility. Being able to switch configurations makes it great for testing what your cat prefers. Cleanup is also noticeably easier than plastic. That said, the enclosure pieces don't feel as heavy-duty as premium models. It's spacious and practical, but determined high sprayers might still test its limits. Still, for versatility alone, it earns its spot. Now things get more interesting with the Tevila stainless steel cat litter box. This one focuses heavily on mess control. The 5.7-inch high ABS wall with internal overlap and secure buckles creates a tight seal that's clearly built for aggressive diggers and high sprayers. The open-top design gives you quick scooping access, and the 20-liter capacity means fewer refills in multi-cat homes. Rounded corners and the non-stick steel base make deep cleaning surprisingly fast. Its standout feature is that anti-leak wall system. It genuinely keeps floors cleaner. The open design is also great for cats that hate enclosed spaces. On the flip side, since it's not fully covered, odors aren't contained as effectively as enclosed designs. It's sturdy and practical, but if privacy is a priority for your cat, you may want something more enclosed. But stepping things up, the Urpower stainless steel cat litter box starts to feel premium. Built with 304 stainless steel, it's resistant to rust and scratching, and you can feel that durability. The 110-degree flip-top lid is a clever touch. You can scoop quickly without fully removing the cover. It also includes a deodorizing compartment for bamboo charcoal, which actually helps keep the area fresher. With a 38-liter capacity and multiple enclosure modes, it's built for large cats and serious mess makers. The odor control system is a big win, especially in smaller apartments. I also like the flexibility between fully and semi-enclosed modes. The trade-off? It's bulkier than simpler pans and takes up more visual space. For minimalists, it may feel oversized. Still, for high-peeing cats, this design makes a noticeable difference. It's also possible with the right slow eye witch. Here's where performance really tightens up. The Woofigo stainless steel cat litter box. At 23.5 by 15.6 inches, with a 6-inch high-sided enclosure and curved wall design, it strikes a smart balance between openness and containment. The buckle connection feels secure, and the tracking-proof pedal at the entrance helps knock litter off paws before it hits your floor. The steel pan resists odor buildup, and the overall construction feels sturdy and stable. The pedal system is surprisingly effective for reducing scatter. It's also roomy enough for multi-cat households. However, while the walls are high, they aren't as deep as the most heavy-duty enclosed options. Extremely determined sprayers could still push it. That said, for everyday mess control and easy maintenance, it's a strong performer. And then there's the Aiperro stainless steel cat litter box. This one feels engineered for chaos. The 8-inch deep base and 14-inch high walls create serious containment, especially for cats up to 25 pounds. The 30-degree angled filter plate is a clever addition. It noticeably reduces litter carry-out. With a sealed, curved bottom design, leaks are practically eliminated. The XXL capacity increase makes it comfortable even in multi-cat homes, and the included metal scoop plus litter mat round it out nicely. Its biggest strength is containment. Scatter and leaks are dramatically reduced. The reinforced frame adds stability that feels dependable long-term. The trade-off is size. It takes up more room and isn't the most compact option. But if your cat turns litter time into a construction project, this design handles it confidently. If I had to pick just one for most households, I'd go with the Aiperro. The depth, leak-proof design, and angled filter plate solve the biggest real-world frustrations: scatter and odor spread without constant cleanup. It balances durability, space, and smart engineering better than the rest. That said, if you prefer something more open or compact, the others might fit your setup better. So which one fits your cat's personality? Drop your pick in the comments. If this helped you narrow it down, hit like, subscribe to Cool Product, and check the purchase links in the description. Your floors and your nose will thank you. If you want to learn more, have a like button, let us know,